Hello there, and thank you very much for joining us today in this new Azure Portal how-to video. Today, we'll learn about the all-new and improved Azure Functions experience. And for that, we have Byron Tardif, who is going to show us that. So thank you very much for joining us, Byron.
Thank you for having me, Leon. Hello, everybody at home. What I'm going to walk through is the new preview for the Azure Functions experience. This is something that should be out by the time you see this. And when you come to the Azure Functions UI, this is something that you should already be familiar with, but we have this new banner that will take you to the preview experience. Once we click in, you'll notice that this is very consistent with the rest of Azure. And we've done this because there's been a couple of things that kind of have come together to allow us to do this. One, we've been working with the Functions team to expose all of the function runtime APIs through Azure Resource Manager. And two, we've been working with the core Portal team to get us all the functionality that we need to be able to render this useful UI. And by getting all of those pieces together, now we can do things like, for example, take advantage of the Azure Resource Graph to have higher performance and better caching and basically create a better experience. So the first thing that you'll notice is that we have this new item that basically groups all of the functions-related functionality. And I can click into my functions list. I can dive into my specific function and get into the code editor. And you can also switch over to the specific files that you want to modify. We have this new integration view that basically gives you a graphical representation of your function, which makes it very clear to see what is the trigger of your function, what are the inputs coming in, outputs coming in. And as you can see, you can also edit this on the fly. Next is our monitoring experience. This hasn't changed from what we have today in production, but it's something that we will be working on between preview and GA timeframe. And then you have your function keys that are also scoped down to your specific function that you're looking at. This is important because we have function keys that are scoped to the function and to the function app. So this makes it very clear what level you're working on. If you want to go back to your specific function, you can see that you have the app level keys right here. And also in overview, you get metrics that are specific to your function app. So you get to see that holistic view as opposed to the individual function.
Very nice. Thank you very much for sharing. When is that coming out, you said?
So by the time this video is out, it should already be in public preview. And we plan to get it to GA quality around the time for build.
Thank you very much, Byron. And thanks every one of you for watching. Please try it out and let us know what you think. We are looking forward to your feedback. And follow us on Twitter, leave us a comment in the comment sections, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.